In Lake County, Illinois, says residents are safer because of its use of Firearm Restraining Orders, or FROs. Filings of FROs in the county are 20 times higher today compared to 4 years ago. Eric Reinhardt credits his office's partnerships with law enforcement and community groups for that increase.
We have seen a 30% decrease in homicides by firearms in Lake County between 23 and 24.
Reinhardt says Lake County has also seen a 15% drop in gun-related suicides from 2023 to 4. A firearms restraining order temporarily stops a person who poses a significant danger to themselves or others from having access to guns, gun parts, and ammunition.